Do you want to redeem your gift card in Crunchyroll but don't know how to do so? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can redeem it. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can redeem your gift cards in Crunchyroll. Go ahead and open Crunchyroll. Come on your Chrome or Safari browser, and then click on your profile. Now, click on Gift Cards. What you need to do is write down the gift card code which you have and then press Continue. Make sure the gift card code is correct, otherwise, it will tell you to please enter a valid code. So, that's how you redeem your gift code, guys. All you need to do is go to Crunchyroll, log into your account, click on your account info, and then click on Gift Card. Write down the gift card code and press Continue. This way, you can redeem your card. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.